Alright, welcome to another section of the smartphone design training. So in this section, we are going to be learning on how to create a business card design. So let's get started. So the next thing we are going to do now, we are going to change the size to the desired size, which is just come to this icon here. To change it, come to this icon here, click on this icon, then you change the size here. Change the size to 1050, 600. Write it down so you don't forget. Or you can always check it on Google site. Just check it on Google. You can just search for business card design size and pixel lab. Business card design size and pixel lab. Then you get the size there. So the next we are going to do now, we're going to add in colors, the natural colors, which is white. Okay. So the next we are going to do now, we're going to put our name. So let me use my name here, Daniel Peter. Change the color to black. Change the font. So since it's my name, so we don't have to use the lighter font. We are going to use the bold font for it. Not the boldest per se, but just the bold font. Reduce a little bit. Okay. Make sure that everything is aligned. Bring it to this side. Okay. So what next? Occupation. So occupation is graphic designer. So reduce it a little bit. Take it up and move it to this side. So let's change the font to medium font or regular, since it's not as important as every other details there. Medium. Yeah, change to medium. Then leave it there like that. This one is not aligned. So the next thing we are going to add in now is the phone number. 234-810-998-7907. So bring the phone number to this side. The next thing is the Gmail address. Yeah, Gmail address. Daniel Peter 7718@gmail.com. Daniel Pitts. So this is my Gmail address. So the next thing is location address. What am I doing? Okay, number 16, Akinola Balogun, Castle, Lagos. Okay, just put it here by this side. You just come to this side to align it, then click on this side. It will be aligned properly. Alright, so that's it. Okay, so as you can see, we are done with the contact details. So the next we are going to do now, we are going to add in shapes. Change the color to this. Or let's start changing the color instead. Let's change the color to this. Yeah, to this. So bring it down. So you copy, change this color to orange color. Or yellow color. That color is not nice. Let's change it to orange color instead. Yes. Let's bring it to this side. take it up a little bit. So you copy another one. So you change the color to this color. Then you come here, increase the radius to 100. Increase the radius to 100. Just put it here. So bring in another shape. We are still going to work on that round shape there. Just hold on. We're going to work on that shape. So you change this one to blue. Put it up here. Let's change this to orange color. It's not looking nice. Or let's leave it that way. So you stretch it. So let's work on this shape here. Let's work on it. So click on it. Then come to this mask. You want to mask out the shape. So just click on this mask. Click on it. Then try to zoom it. Okay. So let's try to mask it out. Let's make this one. Just come here to reduce it because I want these tiny things. I want to make it 2. There are 4 there. I want to make it 2. Just come here and reduce it to 1. You see? So that's it. Reduce it. Or let's make it 3 instead. Just come here. Oh shit. Just come here and increase it to 2. Let's use this. Yeah, so I think this is okay. So click on your check mark. So drag this. Right, so bring it closer a little bit. Alright, so that's it. So the next we are going to do now, but we are going to add in colors. Adding colors by this side here. Change the color to purple. To purple. That's it. So let's bring in our logo from here, from gallery. Okay. This here should be our logo. So let's change this to, let's see if we can change it to white background. Well, it's not showing. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, still showing. Let's reduce it a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, so this is how to create it. So let's put a background there. Change the color back to this. Then reduce the transparency. Reduce it to either 10. Then you come here, send it to the back. I think we still need to reduce the transparency to either. Okay, 3 is okay. So this is for the first one. You can see this for the first one. So the next we are going to do, let's save it as project. As project. Whenever you're through with your design, don't just save it in the internal storage or your external storage. You have to save it as project, because you might want to edit the design. So let's save it as a business card, or let's just put business card here. Business card. Okay, just save it as business card. All right, so just come here. In case you want to search for your project, just come to this icon here, click here, then go to project, my project. You can see, so this is the business card I just saved now. You can see we have several designs here. These are the designs that I've been saving on my project. So anytime I can decide to edit it anytime I want to. Okay, so depends on you. So the next thing we are going to do now, so after this now, so this is the back design. So let's look at the front design now. So let's empty all this side. Let's empty. Okay. So let's change the background to this color. So the logo design should be here. Logo design should be here. Then our text. Let's bring in our text. Okay. Which motto should I use now? Okay, inspired for impact. Inspired for impact. Change the color so let's change the color to white. Then come here. Let's slant the text. Then click here. Let's change the font to either regular or medium. What's going on here? It's not showing anything. Okay. So we can change the font to regular. Regular is okay. So just put it on the middle. So add in a shape. Remember, you cannot use one color. Always make sure you're using more than one color. If you are using two color, you can use you can always tune the color to either light purple. Change the color to orange color. So bring this down. Bring this one here. You can take this up a little bit. Change it to black. All right, so this is the front design. This is the front design. So let's save it as project. Business card design. Business card 2. Business card 2. So after this, we are going to now mock up the design. We are going to mock up the design. So let's go to the next